and today I am forever alone, but then I've got a friend that I just begged. Yeah. His name is Steve or Bob. Dinner. Anyways, let me turn my dubstep on. I don't have my dubstep. Right. Let's begin. White has got to go. I think it was bed or something. So, yes. I'm doing it with a random stranger. And, yeah. But it doesn't matter because he doesn't know me, so. Yay! Right, I'm only going to do a short video. I'm just going to ask him some dares. Right. Steve or Bob. Truth or dare? Truth or dare? Ooh, do. Dare. Okay. Lick your butt. I dare you to lick your butt. But, oh my god, he's actually gonna lick his butt. No. OMG. Wow. No. Shoot. I said shoot. Ow. You pushed me off. Why you push me? Why you so mad, bro? Right. I'm going to end here because I'm going to make another long vid tomorrow. See ya. Bye. Bye guys. Bye bye. 3, 2, 1. Intro going away now.